Hello. Can you guys hear me? Hello, hello, hello. What's up? Can you guys hear me? My mic might be too loud actually. Wait, let me turn this down a little bit. Hello. Yo, chat, can you hear me? Spam 1 if you can hear me, or like W or something so I know my mic's working. Hello everyone. What's up? W, let's go. Okay. So, welcome back to another stream. Today is another Pogo Simulator development stream. And I know last stream I said there was going to be a ton of progress, but I mean the main progress we need is the map and everything, and our builder is gone. So, I will be trying to finish all the UI and everything today, so then the game will pretty much like be done besides the map and the pogo sticks and the pets. But we have some other pets we can use. Anyway, let me show you guys the game. Wait, that's not the right screen. Oh, wait, I always got to fix this. Let me fix this real quick. Okay. So, for some reason, it's like 50-50 if my stream does this. But, let me just fix this. I always have to, like, redo it. Okay, there we go. And there. Okay, that should be good. All right, here we go. Yo, someone donated 100 something. Please add me as a helper. My username is Ghostali and my display name is Heavenly Sniper. I do apologize. I am not going to be adding any other people. I already have me and my 2 friends are working on it. And that's really all I can do, unless I mean, you want to like send me like free stuff in the DMs. But yeah, I can't really have anyone else. And then we also have, that was from Smiling Sniper. And then Chameleon donated €2. Remember me? Yes, let's go. Thank you so much. All right. I am reading chat, Mingo. Sup doggy, can we test your game? It was going to be today, but there's not really much to test. So as you can see, this is the map so far, kinda, but I don't know how I'm feeling about like this like smooth side of it, and then like down here, it's like blocky. So it kind of like, I don't know how I like that look. I liked how over here, it was like blocky and blocky, you know? I forgot to update the thumbnail. No, I changed the part 5 to a part 6. Oh, wait, did I not change the thumbnail? I might have not changed the thumbnail, actually. You might be right. Wait. What admin commands you got? Actually, I was going to do that today because I found some good admin commands. Wait, did I not change the thumbnail? Oh, shoot, I forgot to change it. All right, wait, let me change this real quick. I did make the thumbnail, though. Okay, there we go. Oh, wait, no, I can't. Okay, let me just change the thumbnail real quick. Sorry. Do this, do this, do this, do this, do this. Boom. And then we change it. And there we go. All right, we did change the thumbnail. Let's go. Okay. Yo, Chameleon with another €10. Bank account gonna go boom. Thank you so much, Chameleon. Everyone spam W Chameleon in the chat. Let's go. Thank you so much. Just follow me. Okay, I'll follow you. What's your username? Actually, I don't think I follow anyone on Roblox, but I can definitely add you to the game. Username is Ghostonly. Okay. I'll write that down, and then if you're here at the end of the stream, just remind me. I always have like little notes I have during the stream. All right. So, let me turn on some music real quick. Let me find a playlist. All right, this is good. All right, that's way too loud. All right, just make that quieter. All right, so anyway, we have to show. Are you allowed to make videos on it? Yes, of course you can make videos on this game. I would love if you did. All right, so pretty much, I don't know how much is different. We do have these new icons here, and as you can see, there's some like animations. But we do have some more what's this called? Frames for the UI. let me close this. We have some new frames that we can use. So we have potions as well. And you can use them. See down here. But then this stays. So I need to fix that. But we have rarities. And then if I get some pets, if I go over here. And then I have a pet. So it's common. And then if it's like anything else, we got that. Boom. So now we got pets, all this stuff. And then you can use potions and stuff like that. Chameleon with another €5. You know the game Persona? No, I do not know that game. I should probably look it up though. It sounds like a cool game. Thank you so much for another £5. What is that currency that I don't even know what that currency is that Smiling Sniper donated with. What is it? Wait, let me look it up. It's a rupee. Oh, okay. I didn't even know that. But that's cool. Thank you so much for donating. Yeah, I do not know the game Persona. Okay, but what I do need to do is finish this UI. So the first thing I wanted to do was actually make the potions work, because in where is it? Oh, whenever you do activate a potion, I have it working so it'll be activated. So I have this active potions thing. And if I go in here and like activate a potion, it's down here, but then it's not like actually, like you don't actually get a jump boost. And I need to turn this off so it hides. What's your Discord account password? I don't know if I want to give that away. Please add me right now. I gotta go to the hospital. I'm having a bad fever. I'm sorry about that. I'm not going to do it right now just because I'm gonna work on the game. But I'm sorry about your fever. I will definitely add you later. I don't know if I'll add you for a long time, but I'll add you for like a day. Okay, we can do that. We can do that. Kevstar with the 20 CZK. Don't know what that is. I'm really bad with currency. Can I be a tester? Yes. Everyone is going to be a tester. It's either hopefully going to be next week. We just don't have the map right now. So there's literally no way we can do it because we don't have anything besides like some random stuff. Dang, Zeep with the $5. I'm making steep steps, but with a cannon. Is that a good idea? That's low-key fire. You know what's the game called where you like have like a hammer and you like swing it on the ground and you like try and go up? That sounds like a cool idea. I would play that. Chameleon with another €2. You could add a daily pet shop. Yeah, that would actually be sick. I don't know where that would be. Or like daily eggs, because I think we're just gonna do eggs. But thank you everyone for donating. Thank you so much. All right, but I do need to get these potions working. So what I'm going to do is I need to get it so the donations show up on screen, because it's kind of bad that they don't show up on screen. But here's the potion stats. Actually, let me change this. As you can see, I copied the pogo stick stats. But here's the potion stats. Let's change this to like 100 just so we can see if it works. And then we do have it's like return jump power. Smiling Sniper with another 100. Follow. Yes. Okay, I will follow you after the stream. But I hope your fever does get better. Someone took my number 1. You gotta get it back then. What's your YouTube account password? 1234. No, I'm just kidding. Please add admin for 60k Robux. I don't know if anyone would actually buy that. If someone bought something for 60k Robux, that would be insane. Okay, but then I also need to do from potions. So we need to make the potions work. So we pretty much can copy what we do for the pets to get the potions. So we can do game values dot, and then we can get the active potions. And this will be an int value. Yo, Chameleon with another €2. I'm gonna tone the donations down because I'm gonna go broke. Hey, W Chameleon though, thank you so much for donating. That's gonna help so much with the game. Yo, Crypto with the £2. I'm trying to learn these currencies. What do you think of my YouTube video? I don't know if I've seen your YouTube video, Yo Crypto. I can check it out though. I made my own 2D game. That's actually, that could be a fire video. It's only a minute long though. You should try and make it longer, but I'm gonna check that out after stream. Here, I'll copy your YouTube so I remember to do this. But yeah, I mean, that's like a fire video idea. I was gonna make that video one time, but then I ended up not doing it because I just wanted to make something else. Okay. Thank you guys for all the donations though. I really appreciate it. Okay, but anyway, back to business. So we gotta get all these int values. And then when you have the int value, we gotta make sure it's a jump potion, I think. So actually no, we can do, okay, we also need potion stats. So we got to get the potion stats so then we can figure out how much the potion stats give you. You know what I'm saying? I ignored your dono? What? Yo, 20. Thank you, Platinum VR, for the 25 NOK. Sup, doggy? Can you say hi to Ludwig Morgan Gilhoff? Hello. I don't know who that is. But thank you so much for the donation. Yo, Crypto with the 2 euros or pounds or something. I don't know. Can you show everyone my channel name, please? It's Yo Crypto if you guys are watching. Thank you so much for the $2 or 2 pounds. Smiling Sniper with the 20. Thank you so much, Smiling Sniper. Thank you guys for donating so much. This is actually insane. Thank you guys. Okay, but this is getting hard to do. Chameleon with the 2 euros. You should do a check life will change from Persona 5. You should check life. Wait, you should check life will change from Persona 5. I'm guessing you're saying you should check out Persona 5 and your life will change. But I will later. Thank you so much. Sup, doggy won't see this. Yes, I will totally. Physico, I don't know. Okay, let's see. So we have the int value, so we got to get the potion stats. Okay, so let's go local stats, let's go p stats equals potion stats, and then try and get the int value dot name. Okay, so if p stats, and then we got this, then we do p stats. And if not p stats dot jump power, right? That's how I spelled it. Yep. If it doesn't have jump power, then just continue. I don't think we need a warning. And then we do p stats dot jump power. Boom. That works. Posture check. Let's go, Adrian. Thank you. I don't know how to sit in this chair with good posture. It's actually like insanely hard. If any of you guys sat in this chair, you would know. Yeah, there's like 20 donations in the first 5 minutes. Thank you so much. What is bro yapping about? Coding, bro. I'm trying to make my game. Trying to finish my game. If you know what I'm saying. Why do you go in studio sometimes and you're not streaming? Just because it's kind of hard to code on stream. Just because I want to read chat too. Life Will Change is a song. It's fire. Oh, okay, bet. Oh, is Persona 5 a music group? That'd be cool. What if you added different landing VFX? That would be cool. I do have like one VFX, like one visual effect for the landing right now. Make a pose, I will edit you. I did that before, but you can just like try and edit me while I'm sitting here, if that works. Okay, so this should be added here. Isn't it supposed to be? Oh yeah, it is. Good catch, Adrian. Thank you. Okay, so we got this, and then we also need to get, oh, I didn't even copy that. We also need to get the jump power from potions. Okay, and value, that works. Okay, that should work. So if we jump, See, we kind of jump kind of low, and then if we go to items, should be plus 100, as you can see here. If we use it, okay, I don't know, I need to fix that. I'm gonna fix that after this. But now it's on, so it works. Let's go. I can't understand anything you're talking about. Hey, maybe the stream will help you understand. Okay, and then also what we need to do here is if the, so in the int value, the value of it is the time that you used the, I'm not gonna dress up as a maid, guys, come on. Any tips on simulator development? It's pretty much like all like UI, in my opinion. Like all the things I'm coding are just UI stuff. But I would probably say just add a bunch of stuff. Please don't try and log into my account. Yo, Crypto with the £2. Everyone sub to me, please. Yeah, everyone, thank you for donating. But self promo is crazy. What is he doing? Okay, so I'm trying to make the potions work. Chameleon with the €2. Persona 5 is a game with fire music. Ah, okay. All right. I'll definitely check it out. That sounds cool. Thank you so much for the £2. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm trying to get the the potions to give you jump power. And right now I need to check. So here I have it whenever you used the potion. So if that time minus, oh wait, no, because if it's now, if that time plus the pstats dot length, because it would, if you used it 10 minutes, say you used it 10 minutes ago, and then you add it, if that is less than the current time, then return, or no, continue, right? End. So if the time you use the potion, right, plus the length it takes, because if you used it, say you used it, the potion lasts for 10 minutes. Say you used it 12 minutes ago, and then it adds 10 minutes, and it's 2 minutes beforehand, so it doesn't work. But if you used it 5 minutes ago and it adds it, then it'll be more. Okay, yeah, I think that works. That looks good to me. And then we can just change this back to 6, or we'll balance that later. Guys, please do not spam. Why am I not logged in if it's 1234? Because my password is not 1234. Why would I do that? There will be codes. Okay, so today I do want to show you guys this. So this is our UI game. So we have all these frames here that I'm going to try and add today. But I want to be quick because it's Father's Day, you know. So we have all these frames. Does this game even work? No, it doesn't. Okay, there's no scripting. But we have all these frames. So we have codes here. As you can see, follow me for codes. Daily rewards. Boom. These are just placeholder images. I don't know if we're going to get other images, but gifting. So we have gifting for game passes. Then the hover info, if it's like rare, shiny, you know, all that stuff. The items. So this is already in the game. The Pogo frame. You guys may have seen that earlier. Power frame. That's not done yet. Quests, which I'm going to add today as well. Rebirth, which I'm going to add today as well. And then we have settings, and then the shop frame. Boom, I kind of like this. This looks really cool. Yeah, and then we have this supporter pack, and then time rewards. So that's pretty cool. I'm going to Vegas today, and I forgot that it was Father's Day. Oh, that sucks. Well, maybe send your dad a card or something. When will the game be out? Hopefully next week. I'm saying that like every week, but yeah. So we have the playtime rewards. First thing I want to do is get the rebirth frame updated. So I think I'm going to copy this, and then let's put it into the frames. Oh, did I just copy that? No, okay. So here's the rebirth frame. I kind of want it a little smaller, actually. Could like 0.5. No, that's too small. 5.5? 7.5? I'll just do 6. Okay, so here's the Rebirth frame. I'm gonna bring him something from Vegas. Yeah, that's perfect. Chameleon with the €5. I'm gonna refill my money so I can't donate for a while. Thank you so much for donating though. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. Mingo, alrighty, I have to take my leave to study, but have an amazing day. Thank you guys so much for the donations. I really appreciate it. Okay, so we have this Rebirth frame. And I think we can just delete this old one. Yeah, let's just do that. So it'll show your level, the price, like what you need, and then your rewards. I think this is perfect. So what I have to do is go into the Rebirth. Here it is. Okay. So right now the Rebirths literally do nothing. So whenever you first start, I think we need it to be, let's do this, and let's get property changed signal. So whenever it's visible, I want to connect a function that will update it. So let's go local function update Rebirth frame. So here we can just update it. Chameleon with the €2. I will come back in a little. Thank you so much, Chameleon. This is actually insane. Thank you guys so much for the donations. Everyone spam W Chameleon. Wait, why is the Rebirth frame? Oh, it's right here. Okay. So we get the Rebirth frame. Wait, this should just be out up here. Okay, so whenever it's changed, let's just do update Rebirth frame. Okay. You should make a gifting system where you can gift game passes. Yeah, I just showed that. As you can see here, it'll be, you can gift the game pass. So yeah. Discord mod applications will be open at 8,000 members, I think. So here, that's the Discord. I'll pin it. If you guys want to join the Discord, I'm active all the time in there. And if you want to be a mod, get it to 8,000 members. Send the Discord to all your friends. Can you explain how to disable the Roblox reset button? It's super simple. Just like look it up on the dev forums. Posture check. Thank you. Dude, it's so hard to have good posture. Maybe if I sit more forward. My brain can't understand code even if I try learning it. Well, luckily for you, my tutorial series is going to start soon. I'm working on it right now. I'm working on my tutorials. Everyone was asking for it, so I'm going to start doing tutorials on my second channel, which I can show you here. Here, wait. Let me... Sup Doggy 2. If you guys want to go follow this second channel, it only has 116 subs. But I'm going to be posting on here some tutorials. So, thank you. All right. Anyway, if you guys want to learn how to code, just do that. Go follow my channel. Anyway, so we need to update the Rebirth frame. All right. So to update it, we have to change the level, change the price, and change the rewards. So it's level 1 right now. I mean, it should start on level 0, right? Is it in main, I'm guessing? Yeah, Rebirth. Oh, wait, that's just... Which one is the... Oh, here, level. Okay. Here it is. So I think it should start off at 0. And then every time you open it, I can't retain the coding for more than 5 minutes after I watch a tutorial. Yeah, you need to learn it, like try and relearn it for a while. It might take a while, but it'll be worth it. Okay, so we need to update everything. So first, we get the Rebirth frame, and let's do .main, .stats, .level, .text equals, and then we have to do the player Rebirth value. Boom. So we got that, and now we need the price. So I think, yeah, we have Rebirth levels here. So we need to get the Rebirth levels right here. We already got it. And then we need to change this price to the cost of it. Let's do, this will be 100 for the first one. I might just copy it from the last game. Can you make Pogo Sim 3 in 2029? Yeah, I will. That's a great idea. I should just start working on it now. Make it like the most insane game ever. Okay, so we also need the shortened values utility. So we need this one. So let's go here, local shorten value equals require, and let's go replicated storage dot scripts utility shorten value. Mfuse with another €1. I think that's euros. Correct me if I'm wrong, but thank you so much for the donating. This is actually insane. This is like the most donations I think I've ever got. My brain is getting bigger while watching this. Yes, sir. I'm reversing brain rot after my last video. I need to reverse all the brain rot. Okay, so we need to change the, where is it? The price here. So here. So we need to change, it says level. We need price label. Okay, so we can go here. Let's do rebirth frame dot main dot price label dot text, and then we can just change this to, let's go rebirth value equals. So then we don't need to get this again. So then we can get the rebirth levels to check the prices, and then get the rebirth value that the player is on. So this will give us the money, and then we need to shorten this value. So this will make it so it's easier to read. It'll be like 1.0k instead of like 1,000. Guys, please stop spamming, or you might get timed out or muted or something. How much do you make from making these games? I might make that a video, actually. Do you guys think I should make a video on how much I've made from my Roblox games? I don't know. We can see if I do end up doing that. Okay, so that should be good for this. And now we need to change the coin and the jump power. So we gotta figure out where that is. Is that rewards, I'm guessing? Yep. Rewards, coins, main. I wonder why that's a button. And then amount. Okay. So now we need to change both of those. So let's go rebirth frame dot main dot rewards dot coins dot main dot amount dot text. Oh my gosh. Equals. And then we gotta figure out how much coins. We all want to know what? Wait, what? Wait, what do you guys all want to know? Add rebirth tokens or coins? Yeah, I have that written down. Someone did recommend that before. And I do want to do that, but you should make a Roblox revenue video. Okay, bet. Oh, yeah. Okay, bet. That's what you're talking about. The revenue. How to make advanced UI? I don't know if this is advanced. I'd say this is pretty average. But I do want to make the rebirth levels. It's getting so cluttered. Like, I think I'm going to remove all these. But this is just getting so cluttered, like the UI. I don't know what to do with it. Okay, so the reward. Oh, I need to do a period here. So the coins amount is going to be, it's going to be an X first, lowercase, and then we have to add the 1 plus the, and then this is going to be rebirth value. So the rebirth number you're on multiplied, wait, because it starts off at 1 by 2. Oh wait, is it just going to be this? Right? It might just be this. Let me see what it does in the calculate collect amount. Where's the rebirths? Yeah, okay, so it's just +1. All right, so that works. So now we have that, and then we can do same thing for the power. Yo, Mfuse with another €1. Thank you so much, Mfuse. You can leave a message too. I didn't see you say anything. Finksdev with the €2. When do you think you will post tutorials? Either this week or next week for sure. I really want to get a website done. So I want to get a website done and be able to post things on there and then be like, yeah, guys, go check out my website. Because I think it would be cool if I had like merch or something. I don't even know, like things you can buy on the website, but that would be super cool. But yeah, this week or next week, I'll let you guys know if you want to keep up to date. Join the Discord, be announcements on there. But WMFuse and FinXDev, thank you so much. Bro will be sad if he skips me. Okay, I need to set up the the pop-ups on here so it tells me whenever people donate, because that would be a lot easier than having to look over at the chat and accidentally miss it. Okay, but now we have the power, so we're gonna multiply this by 0.2. So this is the power, and if rebirth was 1, it would be 2. If it was 3, 2, it would be 4. Yeah, I think that works. So now we have that, and I'm pretty sure that's all we need to do. Oh, we also need to change this, if this is activated or not. So where's the button? Buttons, rebirth. Oh, cool. Okay, so we have a green and a gray one. Are those both layout? Yeah, okay. So green and gray. So first it's gray, and then we need to do, let's do, I'm trying to think. Okay, so now we just have to check if you can rebirth. Local next rebirth value equals boom. And let's just change this to next rebirth value. And then let's do if, then let's do an else. No, what? Okay, so if your rebirth value is, oh wait, no. If you're, the coins, wait. If the coins are greater than or equal to, so let's do the player dot leader stats dot coins dot value. If it's greater than your next rebirth, so you can rebirth, then let's do rebirth frame dot main dot buttons dot rebirth dot visible equals true. And then same thing with the other one, rebirth gray dot visible equals false. And then we just flip this. Actually, wait, I don't think we need this if else here, so we could shorten this and just do this. If that's greater than. Right? Wait, let me think about this. So if this rebirth value, say it's 100 coins and you have 80 coins, this is not greater than or equal to this. So this would be false. And this is 100. Yeah, I think this would work. And then I think we might have to, yeah, let's do, I can actually take this away. Let's just go here and then check if the player dot leader stats dot coins comma get property changed signal value. Okay, so if your coins value changes, and then if rebirth frame dot visible, then, so if it's visible and your coins change, boom, change this. So then we get the next rebirth value. Boom. We also need the rebirth value. Boom. So now your thing will update. Your new video is sick. Thank you so much. I'm getting ready for Vegas. Let's go. Don't gamble all your money away if you can gamble. Okay, so that should be good. And then when you rebirth, I think this would be the same. And then you get the rebirth when it comes back. So I think that should be good. Yeah. Oh, nope. I messed something up. Oh, yeah. We have to rewire this. Okay, so let's go. Let's delete this. And then copy the rebirth button and paste it here. That should be good. W game. Thank you. You should make your games more realistic like Dead Rails so people can grind forever. How would I make it more realistic? I do want to make some different games coming up. I can leak one of my games I've been working on. What is going on? Rebirth? Oh, is it Rebirths? It's Rebirths. Oops, I need to add an S. Okay, that should be good. Dang it. String expected got nil. Oh, we need to add one. Okay, so these are all dumb things. Dress up as a maid? I don't care. I'm not dressing up as a maid. Sorry, guys. I'm not dressing up as a maid. That would be insane if I did. All right. Do you remember me, Sup Doggy? Yes, I do. Okay, so let's see. Oh, that's not the right button. Okay, here we go. So it did work. It says 100, and then we can't rebirth. So if we get 100 coins, let's try and get 100 coins. Let me activate my potion. Let's get rid of that. Okay, boom. So we need 100 coins. Pretend I'm bouncing around. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Boom, 100 coins. And then if we go here. Okay, that's not. Can't compare nil and number. Oh, I need to change that too. Let's go +1. And then we also need to do this here. Okay, boom. Yo, Chameleon with the €2 maid, please. No, I'm not doing the maid. I'm not wearing a maid outfit. Okay, so let's get the thing. Thank you for the $2 though, but I'm not doing a maid outfit. Let me make your thumbs for your second channel. That'd be fire. All right, bet. Mfuse, I think I DM'd you on Discord. Just hit me up again, just so you're at like the top of my thing, because I get a ton of DMs on Discord. Like so many people spam DM me. It's kind of hard to look through them all, but yeah. Boom, 100. So then we can, let's go. It shows. Okay, so then if we rebirth, it works. Let's go. And then now it should say no. No. Oh yeah, because we don't have a next value. Okay. If next rebirth value equals, if it's not there, then we should, the next rebirth value should equal maxed end. So then where do we use this? Okay, let's go if next rebirth value, and let's check if it doesn't equal maxed, then else, or no, if it does equal maxed. Boom here, boom here. Let's go boom and boom. Okay, so that should be good. Where else do we use this? And then I guess we can put these up here. Boom. Let's just go false, true. If next rebirth value. And then I think here we just return this. And boom. Should I start posting videos? Yes. I love posting videos. It's super fun. You should definitely try it. FinXDev. Thank you so much for the how much was it? €2. Thank you so much. Everyone, W's in the chat for all the donos. This is actually insane. Thank you guys so much. Chameleon with the €5 I got hated out from being a YouTuber, but I won't let that happen to my idol. Hey, the same thing happened to me in school. Everyone found out about my YouTube channel and they all thought it was funny. And everyone just called me Subdoggy in school, which was kind of annoying. But I mean, I rolled with it. Like, YouTube is all I wanted to do. So you gotta, if you ever get made fun of for doing something you love, that's on them, because they're probably too sad to have anything they're passionate about. Got deep there, but it's true. If you ever have something you're passionate about, don't let anyone take that away from you, because at the end of the day, it's what you like. So don't listen to the haters, if you know what I'm saying. Oh wait, let's use the potion. And I need to fix that. So I'm gonna fix that like right now after this. I need to fix like the little thing that it shows. Boom, 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 boom. And then we get on here. I feel like the whatever it's called, the potions should like multiply your power. Okay, so we have this. Boom, rebirth. And then if I go back, it says maxed. And that should be centered probably. And then that works too. Perfect. And then we can go here. And let me make sure this is centered. No, wrong one. Price? Yeah, price. This should be center, not bottom. I don't know why these are both like that. Oh. It should be left. Ah, that works. I feel like I could use the auto thing for this. Ah, whatever. I think that's fine. Guys, please stop spamming in the chat. Yeah. Okay, so that should be rebirth frame done. And then I do need to fix that little hover glitch. So we should go to the hover stats. Fix this. Yo, Chameleon with the €10. Can you make it an exclusive pet after me, or a pet? Yes, I can make a chameleon pet. Where's the pets? Boom, pets. Pet ideas. Chameleon. And then I'll highlight this. Thank you so much for the €10. Thank you so much for donating. I really appreciate that. But there I highlighted, so I'll remember. So there we go. Thank you. W Chameleon. Everyone spam W's in the chat. Thank you so much. How do you make numbers with commas? I wonder if I have the script in here. Add commas. If you want, copy the script. I know this is like red, but literally copy this. It'll work. Yeah. So just copy this. There you go. I also used AI for this, so if you want to use it, don't feel bad. Anyway, hover stats. Okay, here, if current button doesn't equal nil, let's do print current button. Okay, it's nil. And then if we go here, jump potion 1, if we use it, still says jump potion 1. Current button. So let's check all the, whenever I use it. Current button equals nil, mouse enter, mouse leave. Oh, and then whenever it gets removed, Boom, there we go. Okay. My name is, yo, Chameleon with another €2. My name is Spanish for wait, did I spell it wrong? Chameleon? How do you spell chameleon? Chameleon. Oh, chameleon. Okay. Whatever. Okay, but there. You're in here. I'll make a chameleon pogo stick. I might make it a thing too. Are you a pro in Roblox obbies? I'm actually not that good at Roblox obbies, to be honest, but okay, wait, let's see if this works now. You should add admin commands for you to give out and use instead of having to take more time to get coins to fix bug. Yeah, I should do that actually. Boom, it works. Perfect. And then I also just saw another bug that I need to fix. Did I remove the print? Yeah. And then we need to do the multipliers. And then I think I had this in another game. Let me ask ChatGPT. Where is it? This music's chill. Okay, I got this from ChatGPT, so we need to turn these seconds into a thing, so it has 2 zeros. Boom, there we go. I'm telling you, this game is going to be a big W. Thank you so much. Oh wait, Neon Hacker, what did you say? Sorry, I'm missing a bunch of chats. Everyone is like spamming a bunch. How long do you plan on streaming today, and can you add more pets today? Yes, I can. I plan on streaming for a couple hours. I usually just stream till I get bored or something like that. But yeah, streaming for a bit today. Out of slow mode to stop the spamming. I probably should. I mean, yeah, I don't know. Okay, so that should be good. We have that. What else did someone say? Oh yeah, add the commands. Okay, so should I work on the commands? I think I'm gonna finish adding in these UI elements. But do you guys like this little animation, a little pop-up? Boom, 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 boom. Okay, I think we add in playtime rewards now. I don't know if I'll script it. Which we do for rewards? Daily rewards or playtime? I think playtime rewards would make more sense. So let's copy this. Boom, we got rewards. This is kind of using like the old style. Wait, why is it? Go Rebirth. Boom. Yeah, if you see like the background is like different on this. I think the UI designer messed up on this one, or he didn't update it or something. Like that. Okay, I think that's better. I think that's how it's supposed to look, because it has that little blue thing in the back, you know? Yeah. I played Brain Out Horror. Yeah, thank you so much for playing. Did you script the skip rebirth button? No, I did not. I don't have any things yet. Chameleon with another €5. Funny dono box go burr. Let's go, Chameleon. Are you made out of money? Bro has like infinite money. Thank you so much, Chameleon. I'm definitely gonna add your pet. Okay, but I think I'm just gonna code this so it opens up. But W Chameleon's in the chat. Thank you so much. How do you have the GUI for the old Roblox? I don't know. Mine just never changed, to be honest. So yeah. I'm gonna make a vid and come back. Can you remember me? Yes, I will, FinXDev. Thank you so much. W FinXDev, W Chameleon, W everyone for donating. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. Okay, so let's go down here. And then we need to get the side buttons, and then I think it's the bottom one, the GIFs. Yeah, let's do bottom frame. Let's copy this. Let's go gifts button, and then rewards frame. Yo, Chameleon with another €2. I put 50 euros when I recharged. Hee. Thank you so much, bro. Thank you for the €2. Hey, W Chameleon again. W's in the chat. Let's go, Chameleon. Thank you so much. Dang, this is actually crazy. I didn't expect to get this many donations. Okay, but I need to code this rewards frame. Boom, we got the rewards frame, and then here, and let's go toggle frame visibility. Okay, and then we need to do, let's copy this. Boom, rewards frame. Okay, and let's go rewards frame. I think I just need that. Okay, is that good? Let's see. Help me, I hate UI. Yeah, UI is pretty annoying sometimes, but okay, that works. Got that. And then I think I'm gonna add in the shop, and then I'm gonna do the skip rebirth script. Where's the shop frame? Boom, here's the shop. I don't know how I feel about that red in the back, but let's copy this. Boom, and then add this here. Boom, we got the shop. And then where's the shop? It's the top. So let's go top frame. I think we can delete all this. Items frame, let's go shop frame. Boom, let's go shop frame. Boom, boom. Yo, Chameleon with another €5. If you want to base the pet after my user avatar, it's Chameleon 45678. Okay, bet. Let me put that in the game notes. Avatar. Boom. Oh, wait, that actually works. Boom. There we go. Thank you so much for donating. W Chameleon again. Thank you so much. Yeah, bro is donating his whole wallet. Yeah, thank you so much, Chameleon. I really appreciate that. Okay, and then we need change this to the store button. Store button. And let's try it. How long will till the game is done? Hopefully not that much longer. We really just need the reason why development is slow because of the builder. He like hasn't done much for the game. He's been gone like the whole summer because his school ends later. Or I guess it's like not summer for him yet, but he should be doing more progress soon. But I mean, I've pretty much done everything I can do. So yeah. So we got the shop, we got the rewards. What else could we do? Oh yeah, the rebirth. I think actually I'm gonna add like a little, let's go bottom gifts. I'm gonna add a little like notification on here. Let's go, we'll go 1 0 and then 1. Let's go 0.3. Let's make this red. And then boom, and then let's add a UI corner and a stroke. Let's make the stroke like 3. Looks good. And then corner, make it 1. Boom, so now it's like that. And then we can add a text label. Make this 1. And then background's 1. 6. Let's make this 1. Boom, make it white. And then let's go for Doka. How's that look? Oh, text scaled. Boom, and now it shows you have 1. And then I think I'm gonna add a stroke to this and make it like a dark red. There we go. FinXDev with the €2. Can you go to my Discord account? I have a question. What is your Discord? I don't know what your Discord is, but thank you for the €2. Thank you so much. I will check my Discord DMs after this, so if you guys want to DM me, as long as you're not like asking me to like make a game for you or something, I'll respond, because I get a lot of those already. Okay, boom. I think that's good. I kind of want this a little thicker. Yeah, I think that's good. So we got this notification here that I think I can code. We'll add this on there actually. Boom. Okay. Chameleon with another €2. Shout out Flaming 4. I hope I wrote it right. Wait, why? What did Flaming 4 do? I don't know. Oh, Flaming Thor. Wait, what did you say? Thanks for reading my messages. For Adam, admin, I've always loved your videos and your game. Thank you so much, Flaming 4. W Flaming Thor. Crazy donation. Thank you so much. Okay. So, we got the gifts button, notification, and then what else do we need to do? Oh yeah, the rebirths. Rebirth. Boom. And then the skip button. Okay, does the skip button work? I said the admin. Posture check, by the way. I think my posture's alright right now. Okay, so those do go up. I don't think, how much should it be to skip a rebirth? Probably not that. It shouldn't be $7.99, that's for sure. That's so expensive. No one's gonna buy that. Main. How much do you guys think it should be to buy a rebirth skip? Like 39. Yeah, would that be good? I mean, rebirth skips do give you 2x coins. I think 99 would be good. It's just because it's like double coins, you know. Hydration check, y'all. W Chameleon with the €2. Thank you. I would make it cheaper, but it's because it's like a double. You get 2x coins and more jump power. I think that's good. Okay, and then I need to make a Game Pass. Wait, no. It would be a dev product. We can do rebirth skip. Make it 99. Save. Oh, oops. Did I save the dev product? Copy. Okay. There, and now we can do here. Let's just make a template one. Skip. Boom. I hope in data manager I do subtract the coins. No, I don't. Okay, that's good. What do you mean add 2x jump? For what? What's your Discord? My Discord's just subdoggy. It's also pinned. If you go on the pinned Discord server in there, I will be in the Discord, so. Rebirth. Player. I don't think I need that. Right? Yeah. Okay. And then product manager. Okay. Chameleon with another €2. Could I get all Game Passes for free? I honestly would do that, but I have no clue how I would do that. Actually, I could make the admin commands, but we don't have the admin commands yet. Okay. How do I DM you on Discord? In the server, if you like go in it, I should be like, you should be able to find me somewhere, and like just look up Sup Doggy on Discord. FinXDev with the €2. That Fin on Discord, but I'm broke after this. Thank you so much. Okay, I'll check your DMs for sure after the stream. Not right now, but I will after the stream. Thank you so much, FinXDev. Let me write your name down. So, boom. Right, Discord. Boom, that works. All right. Thank you so much for donating, everyone. I really appreciate it. It's actually insane. There's so many people donating. Okay, so we need to make some remote events for, let's go game passes. So let's go skip Rebirth. So then whenever the replicated storage dot remotes dot game passes dot skip rebirth dot on server event connect a function that has the player and then the product manager dot product purchase request player, and then let's get the ID. Right, that's different. Yeah. Boom. So now when we fire this, it'll skip your rebirth. Let's go if player dot game values dot rebirths dot value is, let's just check if they can, if like they're not maxed out. So let's go local rebirth levels equals require replicated storage dot scripts settings rebirth levels. Boom, and we get the rebirth levels. Okay, so if this is not here, then return end, and then we should probably destroy the skip. Chameleon with the €2. I don't know what to say anymore. Bro donated too much. He ran out of things to say. Thank you so much, Chameleon. I really appreciate it. Thank you for all of that. I will put it all back into Pogo Simulator. Everyone that suggested an idea, get admin. There would definitely be admin abuse if I did that. Will you add maps? Yes. I have a builder that's going to be working on it. But thank you so much, Chameleon. I really appreciate that. Okay, so if you can't find the rebirth level, then you shouldn't be able to buy that, which makes sense to me. And then we can hide this. I don't think you need to see this. So let's go to the rebirths and let's script this. So I need to, let's get this and kind of copy this code. So instead of rebirth, let's do the skip. So whenever you skip, let's make sure where's the, oh yeah, up here. Okay, I'll just copy it from here. If not, boom, then return end. Rebirth levels. Boom, there we go. So if you can rebirth, Chameleon with the €2. Flaming Forward told me to ask for admin. I'm not going to give you guys admin, but thank you for the donation. I'm not going to give you guys admin. I might make admin on this stream though, but giving you guys admin would literally be like sabotage for the game. Like, what if you guys just start banning everyone, you know? But maybe I'll give you admin on the testing game, so then everyone can test properly. So you might get admin on the testing game. What is this game about? It's a simulator game where you bounce on a pogo stick and just get more stuff. So yeah. Also, we're 66 subscribers away from our goal. If you guys want to subscribe, that'd be greatly appreciated. As you can see, you might not be able to see it says it on the whiteboard, but it says it. I can't find your Discord. My Discord is literally just SupDoggy. Like SupDoggy, if you just spell it the same, it's SupDoggy. Okay, then we have to do replicated storage dot remotes, game passes, skip rebirth, fire server, We don't need to fire server or anything. FinXDev with the €2. Gotta go by. Thanks for reading my message. Thank you so much, FinXDev, for watching and donating so much. I really appreciate it. Posture check. You're right. I need to sit back. Let's go. There we go. Okay. So we got the skip. And let's see if that works. How did you make the bouncing system if you already made it? Wait. How did you like this bouncing system? Boom, I actually really like how that looks. I like that. Okay, so we got the potions. We have no pets. What was I gonna check? Oh yeah, rebirths. So if I skip, oh, it doesn't work. Okay, let me see why. Chameleon with another €2. Siren X4 has got good ideas. All right. Let me look at his message. Idea: make a small deserted island where you can find an NPC and you need to complete a quest to get a pogo stick or a wooden or rusted one. That's actually a fire idea. I really like that. How would you get to the... Oh wait, that could be cool because you could like bounce over there somehow. Maybe I should make a new one. Quests. Let me write down your name. SARNEX4. Boom. I actually do like that idea. W Chameleon for the shout out. Okay. So yeah, why does this not work? Print client here. Print server. Print made it, and then let's print rebirth. Oh, maybe it does work and it just doesn't hide it. Okay, wait, it's not even clicking. Clicked. Okay, let's try that. I'm third now. W Chameleon, let's go. Bro's third from just donations. Okay, it's clicked. Oh, I need to add one. Oh, I'm so dumb. Oh, okay, so this should work now. Okay, I'm gonna I just know it's gonna work now, so I'm just gonna delete all these. Literally just adding one would have made it work. Boom, boom. Yep, skip it, and then actually let me get some coins first before I buy it. I'll activate my potion as well. Boom, boom, boom. So we got some coins. Let's convert our power. And then rebirth. Boom. Except this did not hide, and then it should be like this. So we got our rebirth, and then now we should be able to jump higher. Boom, and we get double the coins if you can see that. We get double. Then we can go on here. Boom. Chameleon with another €2, bro. This is like the only way you're talking in the chat now. Check out Neon Hacker's idea. He told me so. All right, what did Neon Hacker say? Give people admin who you can trust, or give one at a time, and you do some prints or something that will show you what the admin did. That's a good idea, actually. I could do that. I could make like a soft admin where you just get like a few commands. You can't like ban anyone, but you just get like a few commands. But I think that would be cool. How many maps will be? 5 or 10? I think there will be levels to this map. We might release with like 2 worlds, hopefully, and then obviously add some more. Okay, so we got the rebirth, skip, and then we need to fire it back. So let's go here. Okay, and let's go local replicated storage equals game calling get service replicate storage. And let's make this server script service. Let's do local server script service equals boom. And then I'll make this a little bigger so you guys can see. You can't really see. Let's say the commands is kick, right? I might just make it so you can like, but if you guys had admin commands, you would be able to like break the game or like just cheat. I guess not, it wouldn't be cheating, it would be admin, but like you could just give yourself stuff. So boom. And then nothing happened. So that didn't work. Oh no, no, we just want to fire the normal rebirth. Boom. Chameleon with another €2, €6 left. I would love to be soft admin. I think I definitely have to give you one because you've donated so much. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. Add a Minecraft map. I don't know how that would fit, but that would be cool. How many years did you study scripting? I think it was like 3 years ago I started, because whenever I first like started, I commented on a YouTuber's video and I was like, hey bro, I'm starting scripting, and then my video or my comment on that video got like 800 likes or something. So then if we skip, this doesn't hide though for some reason, but it did play the noise. Oh, okay, so it doesn't hide it on there. So it goes like this. There we go. So yeah, I think I studied scripting for like 3 years. You should make a game for the world's biggest obby like you did for small. Okay. I think you're thinking of someone else. You're thinking of Pluto Dev. You're the best, bro. Thank you so much. But yeah, so we got the gifts. This doesn't work yet, but it will. We got our items. Titles don't work yet. Pets and pogo sticks work. So if I go over here, we can get a new pet and then equip it. And obviously they won't be big blue squares. And then we can unequip it as well. And I need to add a thing to this so then they get bigger. Boom. Okay. So one thing I did notice is the pets don't have a scale. Wait, yeah, they do. Wait, what? Pets main. Huh. Okay, so we can do... Okay, please stop spamming. I can see your message. How would you start as a new dev? I would probably start watching tutorials and try and make some small games and then pretty much go from there. Yeah. Are there no mods in this chat? I don't know where all the mods went. They all left, I guess. Yo, Zux. Hi, sub doggy. What's up, Zux? Guys, please stop saying. I for real spent like 80 euros. You can buy a new Mario Kart. Yes, sir. Let's go. Hey, hope instead of buying the new Mario Kart, just buy the new Xbox when it comes out. The new Xbox system looks sick. So I definitely might looking at buying that because that thing looks super cool. But yeah. Okay, wait, let's get dot descendant added connect function. Let's go if, let's do the same thing and then set a button child. Boom. So now whenever I get a pet, it should be good. Your latest video deserves more. I mean, I think the video did how it should have done, like maybe a little bit better, but it definitely wasn't my best video. But yeah, thank you. Okay, now it bounces if you notice that. That's what I just did. And then you can get your potions. I should probably add a sound effect for that. Get your gifts, power, store. Boom. We got eggs. Yeah, the thumbnail was different. I don't know. It was like the stats weren't the best either, so probably wasn't like the best video to do. I should have just waited till I finished Pogo Simulator, but I got impatient. All right, so anything else I can do? What else? We got potions working. I'll do playtime rewards when we have more rewards. Oh, quests. Let's add in the quests frame. Boom. Here we go. There we go, quests. And then anything else I want to add in? Travel, got settings and update log. I think that's really good. Or that's really it. Quest is there. Yeah, I think that's good. Will you add a cooldown to the egg hatching clicking thingy? Do you think I should add a cooldown? I kind of like how it's just like you can spam click. Dude, don't say the J word. Bro. I might have to ban you for that. Word scares me. Will you add pogo races? Yes, I will. I think I like how the pets are though. You can multi-hatch. Or you can do auto hatch and just sit back. Sit back and relax. Thank you, Noodle, for deleting the J word. There is like a point, it's like a 0.1 second cooldown that you have. Doggy, what was your first game so I can play it? The first game I ever released was called Hot Potato. I don't know if it's still on my profile, but the game got like 500 visits, I think. And I spent like I spent all my Robux on advertisement. I spent like 1,800 Robux on advertising, and it pretty much did nothing. So, what was I just gonna do? I don't remember. Okay, but I do want to try and start adding in admin commands. That would be cool. Okay, let me close out all these. Okay, so I do have a thing for admin commands. Where? Let me find it. Did you see my DM? I will check DMs after this. So if you guys want to DM me anything, I'll check them all. The J word. Okay. J-O-B. All right. I spelled it. It's not that bad. Please don't crash out on me. You're the reason why I started development. Thank you, little dude. His name's actually Little Dude, don't worry. Thank you so much. That's so nice to hear. I'm glad I could inspire people. That's like my main goal. YouTube is a job. I'm financing you. YouTube is not a job. I like doing it. So yeah. I had 360,000 visits on a game, but it got content deleted, and a game that started averaging 200 players, but it got content deleted after 2021. That's crazy. Why did it get deleted? I mean, Dish got Dish got like pretty much banned for an entire week, and Roblox didn't help me at all. Like they literally ghosted me pretty much. Okay, wait, let me add in. So I have these admin commands here. It's like a script that I can just use for admin commands. So I'll put this here. But yeah. Yo, Luke is back with the $5. Hey, sup doggy, I'm making a game and I wanted you in it. Could you say sup guys? So this machine does B stuff in your voice. I love the Valoric icons by the way too. Thank you so much. I know they're pretty chill. All right, here, I'll say it real quick. If you want to record now. Are you ready? Are you ready? Sup guys. So this machine does B stuff. There you go. There you go. Let me play the music again because I feel like it's like so quiet without the music. But I hope that worked. Thank you, Luke. Hope you're having a great day. Nice to see you again. It was about SpongeBob. Wait, what was about SpongeBob? Oh, really? That's why. Yeah, that kind of makes sense. Chameleon is goated. I'm on 5th now. Luke almost said it. How do I get my game out there? What do you recommend? So what I did is actually pretty funny. I started this YouTube channel. And whenever I make the Pogo Simulator video, I really want it to be a banger video. Like the Pogo Simulator game is hopefully going to be some bangers. And yeah. Will you make a tutorial for how to code? Yes, I actually was advertising this before. Everyone go sub to my second YouTube channel. Tutorials are going to be coming out this week or next week, something like that. Did anyone subscribe from here? Hey, we got like 6 more subs. 8 subs. We got 8 more subs. Thank you guys for subscribing. But yeah, this is where I'm going to post my tutorials. So if you guys want tutorials from me, just go on here. I'm going to post one and then I'll ask you guys what you guys want and I'll do whatever like the top one is. Yeah. Okay. Check Luke's donation. I already said that. I hope Luke, wait, did Luke say anything else? Oh, Luke did say, oh, he said the J word. Thank you. Okay. I hope that works, Luke. I hope that works, but I did do Luke's donation. Okay. So anyway, back to the main stuff. So I have this command here, which is like commands. You should get a YouTube manager where he gives YouTubers rare stuff so they can make YouTube videos about them. I definitely will. That would be really cool. So this is pretty much a command system. Where should I put this? In a library? Yeah. So then let's go. I think gameplay would make sense. Yeah, let's just go. Oh, let's go here. Admin commands. And then what I think we have to do is local server script service equals game, calling get service, server script service. And then we got to get the CMDR commands. So let's require server script service dot libraries dot commander, and then CMDR comma, wait, what is the thing? Make a dialogue engine tutorial with text that can change colors, animate. Okay, I think that is going to be my first one. Check which one of your subscribers has the most subs. I don't even know how to do that, to be honest. Yeah. Wait, what did I just read? Oh yeah, I will do that tutorial about the pretty much like the dish dialogue system and the grow a garden dialogue system. Okay, so setup for the commander. So then we just go here, boom, register default commands, and then we have to go down here and add in the local script for admin commands. So let's go here and then I'm just copying this from like the tutorial that is online. And then we got that working, so that should work. Let me try it. Let's see if I hit F2. Oh wait, that was F1. if I press F2, boom, we got commands up here. And then I can do, what's a command? Kill sup doggy. Boom. And then I killed myself. This game should break, to be honest, if I do that. Yeah, the game breaks. And the buttons don't work. Okay, so don't die in Pogo Simulator, guys, if you want to play it. The commander bar. Okay, I need some commands. I actually have no clue how to use this. Wait, where's F2? Boom. I don't know. Can it show me like question mark command? I don't know how to see like the existing announce. Whatever. Okay, so I need to make some commands though. Please notice which worlds are there right now. So right now we have sorry, wait. So right now we have this world, which is Earth, which is like definitely a work in progress, because as you can see, here's the old Earth. So this is from the first Pogo Simulator. And then here's the process for the new Earth. So here's number 1, and then number 2, and then iteration number 3. But I don't really like this smooth terrain. Okay, but I need to figure out how to add commands. Google coupon finance this. Wait, Google coupon. Oh, W. Thank you, Chameleon. W Google coupon. I love Google coupon. Thank you so much for donating, Chameleon, though. I really appreciate it. How did you add that command F12? It literally, if you look up CMDR like this online, and like CMDR on Roblox, like okay, sorry, let me restart. Dang, I like could not say anything. If you look up CMDR and then Roblox on Google, the script I'm using will come up, and then it pretty much just gives you all this stuff. Like I have not done anything yet. This is all from like this script. So you can use multiple keys if you want. How do people make global announcements? I have no clue, to be honest. Use the command help. Okay, bet. Okay, so if we hit F12, F12, and then help. Oh, tab. Replace, what is blink? Oh. Help. var equals. Whoa. Whoa, this is actually kind of crazy. Okay, I gotta figure out how I make just search YouTube. It's not that hard. Let me see. Well, how do I make my own commands? Here, let me copy this over. I'm on my alt account, so this might be a little different. FinXDev with another €2. I can't send anything on Discord. Please accept me. Oh, really? Can people still not do that? Here, wait, let me change that. I switched it back. I don't think it should be like that anymore. Let's see. Yeah, I should be able to get... it says I should be able to get DMs on Discord. I don't know why it wouldn't work. But I'll look at your DM if you send it or something. I am new to the channel. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy the content. Okay, so we need to find out how to use our own. How do we add our own? The website. Commands. go on the website. Well, these videos don't even work. Type safe. Commands. No commands are registered by default. See default commands. Custom commands are defined in module scripts that return a single table. Let me see this. Create UI. Built-in commands. Built-in types. I might just do this off stream because I might have to watch a video on this. Okay, guys, please do not spam. Please do not spam. How do you... I know how to add a global announcement. I mean, I'll figure it out. I literally have no clue how to do this. Firestorm said, please read my DMs. I said I'll check DMs after stream. As promised, 30 minutes before the stream, I cooked. You did cook, Chameleon. Thank you. Which is better, coding in the morning, afternoon, night arcs? Definitely at night, because I literally just grind at night. What country are you from? The United States. So, yeah. Okay. I think I'm going to stream for like 30 more minutes. And then I think I will have to end the stream because I have to go. So we got admin commands. Help. Okay, this is just like a... This is just shows you all the commands. Built-in types. Create UI. Okay, that creates it. Initialize. I have not been in a live stream before. Hey, well, I'm sorry you're starting off like this. I'm trying to figure out how to add in admin commands. My power went out. Oh no, how did that happen? Thank you so much for doing my idea. Most of the time I say stuff nobody looks. Also, look at my previous messages. What previous messages? Yeah, I will add admin commands for coins. Yeah, I definitely want to do events like how Jando does it. So this is actually the same admin command system. I literally got it from Jando because I saw him. He made like a TikTok where he was like on his game on Grow a Garden, just like typing in admin commands like this. So I definitely want to do that. I want to figure out how to give someone stuff. Oh wait, can I announce something? So let's try, wait, announce. Oh, I have to hit tab. Hello, everyone. Did that work? No. Announce. Hello. Okay, so that did not work. Chameleon with another €2. RIP wallet. Yeah, RIP your wallet for real. That's actually insane. Thank you so much. That's insane, bro. You actually donated so much. I wish I could see, but I don't know how to do that. Thank you for donating. I really appreciate that. Will you add a pogo stick obby? I think I will. Like maybe like a little island out here that you can like jump on and kind of get to. That would be cool. But right now the water's fake. If you guys noticed. And then I think I'm also gonna add the settings and stuff later. Huh, we got all these. RIP Chameleon's wallet. Everyone type RIP Chameleon's wallet in the chat. Read Erica A. They have good ideas. What about sky update of meters of 100 meters? Sky is 1,000 meters, and space is 1,000 meters. We actually do have that written down in the thing. We do have space stages like the moon, a comet, space station, alien spaceship. So yeah, that would be cool. API reference. I don't even know how to add my own. I might just watch that. We'll figure it out later. We'll do that later. Is there anything else I need to get done on this stream? Let's see. So we did do the potions, rewards, quests. I need to figure out where to put those. Codes and name tags. Okay, that's true. I need to get those in here. So let's get codes frame. Codes. Boom, that's good. And then name tags. Are the name tags in here? I don't think they are. They are. So yeah. I think that's pretty much it. Like that's pretty much all I have to do. So I'm gonna publish this to Roblox, and then I think we can. No, when you go up. Yeah. So it'll be like here. I'll do an example. So like over here, you see how you get up there? Let me get some pets. Boom. Okay, let me get 3. Okay, there we go. I got 3 temporary pets. And then if we just go and equip the best pets. So over here, I can also add the jump potion. And then if we go over here, as you can see, this mountain, as we get higher, do these even work? Oh, they do. As we get higher, there will be more stuff. So there's this mountain here first, and then there's going to be more things like, I don't even know. But yeah, there will be like a space and like comets and stuff. What's the game called? Check the description. It's called Pogo Simulator, and there's like a documentary for the game. Boom. But we got this. We can upgrade the power. There we go. Playtime rewards. Pogo sticks. We can't even rebirth yet. I want to unequip my pets. And then we can rebirth. Boom. And then now we shouldn't be able to rebirth. Perfect. There we go. And I think that's gonna be it for this stream. Yeah, I don't think there's anything else I wanted to do today. Actually, before I'm done, I do want to show you guys my other game. So it's kind of like a sneak peek. But I made this factory game, and I think I'm gonna make it like a little tycoon. So as you can see, you have like your build here. It obviously doesn't work yet, but You're gonna be able to build these conveyor belts. Oh wait, what the heck? Okay, never mind. You can't build, I guess, for some reason. Here, let me do. Let's go local fact. Whatever. I guess I don't have to show this game. But let me close this. And, alright, yeah, that was a fail. It did work before. I mean, I would have to probably hard code it. I guess I can show. Here, I'll show it. Let's go to the factory game. Okay, so if I just switch the. If I switch this to a machine, because there's going to be machines and conveyors, because I haven't built it yet, but okay, for some reason you can't place. All right, that's so annoying. No, why isn't it working? Oh, I know why. I'm dumb. Here. Local factory equals. How do I make a new factory? Shared.factory.new. Right? How do you make a new factory? Player. Okay. Wait. Oh, capital F. Okay. There we go. And if you see, now we have these little parts coming out, but obviously there's no conveyor belts. So then if I switch here, let me just make a factory, comma. All right, it doesn't even autocomplete. That's annoying. Let's go spawn machine. Spawn machine. Machine. And let's do C-frame. C-frame.new. -2, 2, -20. Boom. And then we can switch this to conveyor and conveyors. Okay, let me just. So then you can do. So it's going to be like a conveyor belt kind of factory game where you can build conveyors. See? And like the little parts go down and you can just like go along. So yeah, this is the other game I'm working on. But yeah, I think that's going to be it for this stream. Yeah, W Factory game. Hello, Dad. What's up, son? So yeah, I think that's going to be it for this stream. Unless you guys want to see something else. Yo, chat's going crazy. Whoa. Yeah. Ask ChatGPT how to make commands. Yeah, I probably will. Also, I didn't even have my light on this whole time. You guys probably couldn't even see me. But yeah, that's pretty much going to be it for this stream. Unless you guys want to see something else. I don't know what else to do. But W stream, I'm going to go hang out with my dad because it's Father's Day. You guys should go hang out with your fathers because if you have one, I don't know. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have a great day. And yeah, that's going to be it for the stream. Thank you guys so much for watching.